Hi, I'm Patrick Friesen. I'm the plant scientist here at Biochambers. Today I'm going to show you how to export a schedule, edit it with Excel, and then import it again.
To edit and make a complex schedule in Excel, first make a simple schedule like this two-line schedule we have here that I've called maize veg. Next, export this schedule by clicking here. Select our schedule, maize veg, from the list, hit OK, and then save it. You'll be asked whether you want to save it as a .sch file or .csv, comma-separated values file. To be able to open it and edit it in Excel, select CSV. To best ensure compatibility when importing it back into our software, always export at least a one-line schedule from our software before editing it in Excel. Once you're in Excel, you can edit it like anything else in Excel. Note here that our auto irrigation option is called auxiliary 1 in this export and is activated by a binary 0 or 1 input. From here we can add lines to a single day schedule or make a complex multi-day schedule or even an astronomical clock schedule. The number of entries our software can handle is virtually limitless. Right now we'll add a schedule line within the day, and we'll have this be, let's say, at 9 a.m. And here we want to keep the same temperature but move our humidity down to 45%. Keep our CO2 the same, our light intensity the same, and keep everything else the way it is. We can also make it a multi-day schedule by adding 2 here. We'll copy that, bring that down, and we can copy the entire thing and paste it like that. And we can change this now, let's say, to make a cooler day, 23 degrees, and our nightly low of 18. Okay. When you're finished editing and making your schedule in Excel, save and keep it as a CSV file. Then import it by clicking here. Finally, switch schedules to make your new Excel edited schedule the current schedule. We'll find maize veg, and we'll start it on day 1. It's a new multi-day schedule, and that's it. It's that easy. Thanks for watching.
For more information on how to achieve your plant growth goals, please check out our website.